What's going on, guys? This is Paul from BearcatWarehouse.com. Today I've got a video on showing you how to enable and disable the zip code feature. Stick tight and we'll go through that process. Alright, we're going to start by enabling the zip code. Now this is the same with all the HP models like BCD 536, 436, SDS 200, so you could just apply this to all these radios. So what we do to start off is we hit the zip code button. It's going to prompt you for USA and Canada. We're going to press down on the volume knob for USA. You can also hit the E button, which is the enter button, to do this. Then it's going to ask us for the zip code. Once you do that, you can either hit the E button or press down on the volume knob. It's going to ask you if you want to enable the full database. We want to say yes. It's going to make you wait a moment while it loads the list. Depending on where you are, this could take longer if there are, tons of frequencies. So just be patient. Okay, now the full database is active, and then if you go to like a different zip code, you just do that process again to put in a different zip code. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to disable the zip code. So to do that, we want to hit the menu button on the side. And then the first option here is set scan selection. You can press down on the knob or hit the E button. We're going to take the knob, we're going to turn it down to select list to monitor. Press down on that. You can see right here, full database is on. So we want to turn that off by pressing down on the volume knob. You can also hit the E button. And then you're going to want to go down and then, enable or disable whatever list you have here. And let's just say you wanted to listen to one county or one favorites list. You can turn these on and off individually in this menu. So I'm going to go back and turn my Monroe list back on. And then to get back to scanning normally, you would just hit the system key, and this is right here on the SDS 100. Same spot on the 200, it's right underneath the screen. And then the 436 and 536, that actually says the system button. So that just gets you completely out of the menu by doing that. So once you have your desired list turned on, full database turned off, you hit that button. It's going to say, please wait while it loads your list. And then you're all set to go. Alright guys, well that's going to finish us up today. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to check us out on BearcatWarehouse.com. We sell this radio, we offer to program it and all the other current radios. We have an extended warranty, upgraded antenna, and other really great accessories that you can get. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at admin@BearcatWarehouse.com or simply give us a call. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one.